Want to create events in WhatsApp? Here's how. First, update WhatsApp by going to the App Store or Play Store to ensure you have the latest version. Open WhatsApp on your device once updated. On the Chats page, locate any group or community you want to create the event. Once inside the group, tap the plus icon at the bottom left. From the menu, select the Event option. Enter the event name and description in the designated fields. In the Starts field, set the date by tapping on the current date and selecting the other day for your event, followed by set the starting time for the event, located near the date. Tap on it and set the time by swiping the hours and minutes. Optionally, add an end time if necessary. Just toggle on the Include End Time option. Include the event location for clarity. Just enter the name of the location in this field. Add a WhatsApp link for voice or video calls if needed. Tap Send to distribute the event reminder to all group members. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick tips.